Welcome to Mandarin with Lily, a YouTube channel where you can learn and improve your Mandarin. Eventually, you will be speaking Mandarin just like a native. We had a close look at 把 sentence structure in the last video. Today, we will take a look at another popular sentence structure in Chinese, the 被 sentence structure with Emma. 被 is referred as a passive preposition 被. It is a passive marker in the sentence. Emma asked me, what is passive? What does that mean? Let's look at the sentence. My lunch was eaten by Xiao Wang. The passive form here is was eaten. Emma said, this sentence in Chinese will be 我的午饭被小王吃了. Excellent. Clearly, 被 structure is expressed as subject, receiver of the action plus 被 plus object, doer of the action plus verb plus other complements. If you recall the 把 sentence structure from last video, it is subject, doer of the action plus 把 plus object, receiver of the action plus verb plus other complements. I'm sure you have already spotted that the subject and the object swapped positions in the two structures. The doer of the action is a subject in 把 sentence structure, whereas it is an object in 被 sentence structure. To say the previous sentence in 把 sentence, it will be 小王把我的午饭吃了. 被 sentence indicates an action is applied to somebody or something by somebody or something, with the emphasis that the action will bring about a result. Just like in English, sometimes we don't know the doer of the action or we don't want to say it, so the doer of the action can be omitted, or the word 人 is generally used as the object of 被. Just as in 把 structure, when using 被 structure, it is necessary for the verb to be followed by some complements. For example, 披萨饼被吃完了. The pizza was finished. The negative form of the 被 sentence is made by adding the negative adverb 没 before 被. Please note, 了 cannot be used in the sentence with 没 here. In spoken Chinese, 叫, 让, 给 have the same meaning as 被, also indicating passive. Their usages, however, are not always exactly the same. For 被 and 给, they don't need an object after them. 叫 and 让, on the other hand, always need to take an object. 披萨饼被吃了. 披萨饼叫人吃了. The meanings of the two sentences are the same. The pizza was eaten by people, by someone. In English, when the subject is the receiver of the verb action, passive form needs to be employed in the sentence. However, in Chinese, it is not always the case. For example, 传真发给你了. The fax was sent to you. You would think the sentence should be 传真被发给你了. In reality, people don't use 被 as a verb. 发 has passive embedded in it already. Also, there is no need to tell who sent the fax. So 被 is not used in the sentence. This type of sentence is called a notionally passive sentence. This is something learners need to pay attention to in Chinese. Thank you for watching. Happy learning.